Good morning, boys and girls. Today and for the rest of this month, our morning work is going to be this packet. So I wanted to show you how to set up our packet and what the different pages look like. The first thing I want you to do is write your name on the front cover. If you have extra time during your day, you can go ahead and color in your front cover, but that's if you have extra time, okay? All right. This is a calendar, and maybe some of you have something that looks kind of like this, maybe hanging up in a kitchen, or maybe if you have an office room in your house. I have a calendar sitting on my desk, on my table over there, and it helps me know what day of the week it is. I write down things that I need to remember, but it also tells me where we're at in the month. I'm also going to look at my phone for the calendar because my other calendar is buried. I also have a calendar on my phone, and my calendar on my phone tells me when I have doctor's appointments. It tells me when my kids don't have school. It tells me when I don't have school. It tells me when Mr. Wrenchler has a dentist appointment. I see he has one coming up. Oh, and I see that we don't have any school next Monday. How exciting. Okay, so we're going to use a pencil. I'll use a pencil too. Let me grab one. And we're going to number our boxes because this is a blank calendar. And we're going to find Monday, okay? And then I'm going to write a number 1, kind of in the corner, not taking up the whole box, but I'm going to write a number 1. And then I'm going to keep going, but I'm going to stop at 28. And if I do it right, 28 should be this very bottom box, the very first box on the very bottom. Okay, so it should be under Sunday. So far we have the number 1 on Monday and then 28. I'm stopping at 28. February only has 28 days. Sometimes it has 29 when it's a leap year, but this year is not that year. February is one of our shortest months. It is our shortest month. So from 1, I'm just going to keep counting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I come down here. Now this first box, the second box, 7, 8, 9. If I'm going too fast, always you can pause me, okay? I'm just going in order. 10. Also, you can wait until I get all the way to 28. And then pause it, and then you can fill your calendar in to look like mine. 12, 13, I'm done here, so now I have to come down. Below the 7, I'm going to write 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My goodness, this is lots of number practice, right? Number writing practice, right? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. It's okay. This is why we use the pencil, right? I said that if we did it right, we would end up in this first box all the way at the end. But I forgot that February was the shortest month, so we're ending at the first box. But we don't need this last row because February is shorter. So we used a pencil. I can just erase it. It's okay. I can just erase it and scooch my 28 up one box. And we're going to stop counting at 28. if you need to pause the video so that way you can catch up with your numbers, go ahead and do that. Okay? All right, we're going to fill in 2 days on our calendar. Number 1, you're going to find the number 12. Find the box that has the 1 and the 2 for the number 12. On this fun Friday, we are having our Valentine's party. Valentine's is a real big word. Real big word. If it goes over into Saturday, that's okay because we don't have school on Saturday. So if your word goes out of the box and goes into the Saturday box, that is okay. Valentine's is a real big word, and I'm actually going to write mine down a little lower. V-A-L-E-N, times. See, I went a little into the Saturday box. That's okay. And you know, this is an N, not an M. Valentine's, right? Valentine's. We could write day. I'm just going to write party. P-A-R-T-Y. Exclamation points. Am I so excited to see all of you? Yes, I am. Valentine's Day party, woo woo. All right. Pause here if you need to finish this real big word. Our next day, welcome back if you paused. Our next day that we're finding is the 15. Find the box with the 1 and the 5 for 15. Guess what's special about this day? There's no school. N-O. That's one of our sight words, no. And guess what? School's one of our sight words too. S-C-H-O-O-L. And you guys are probably excited about that. So I'm going to put an exclamation after the end of it. And I'm going to say, no school. I think that's President's Day too. It is President's Day. Valentine's Day is actually the 14th. If you want to draw a heart, or you can write Valentine's Day. Valentine's is right here. And then day. But we're celebrating it on Friday because we don't have school on Sunday. You stay home. You always stay home. But you don't do schoolwork on Sunday. Monday we don't have any school. And oops. That is the fun of our February. And right now it's the 9th. So we're almost to our Valentine's Day party. Woo-woo. All right. Today, this was a lot, I know. I'm going to show you what this looks like, okay? So, on the pages, the top always is going to look the same. It's going to say today is in a real long line. And then it's going to have a longer dash, a shorter dash, and a middle dash. Like a papa and a baby and a mama. This is the day of the week. Today is Tuesday. And all of our days of the week start with a capital letter. So I'm going to write a capital T, U, E, S, D, A, Y. Today is Tuesday. Oh boy, guys. Are you ready to write February? February is one of the months that's so hard for me to remember how to spell because the R's mess me up. But we're going to do this, okay? So for this long papa line, we write the month. And the month starts with a capital letter because it's a name too. February. F-E-B. Feb. R-U-A-R-Y. Let me check. That doesn't look right to me. Well, that doesn't tell me. I'm going to check by the front of my thing. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. We did spell it right. Woo, woo. Go us. February. Today is the 9th. So we're going to write a number 9. And then this is for the year. The mama line is for the year. The year is 2021. Then in this spot, it's going to have a different activity. Today, you're going to draw a picture of me, and it says, my name is. Do you know how to write your name? I'm curious to see. So you're going to draw a picture of you. You're going to write your name. This is the only page that you're doing today. Okay? Don't do this page. But I want to tell you, I can write CVC words. That means that each of these words is going to have a consonant, a vowel, a consonant. All of these words are 3 letters long. So you're going to look at the picture. What does this look like? You're going to write it, but tomorrow. Not today. Tomorrow. What does this look like? You're going to write. Write down the sounds that you hear. This is great practice. Great, great practice for what we're doing in reading groups. Great practice. I can write CVC words. Same thing. Make sure that on the fish, you're looking up at the top part. Top part of the fish is a fin. Oh my gosh, guys. This book thinks you can add. Are you adders? Can you add? You guys are so smart. Of course you can add. You get to practice adding. Use your counters if you need to. Use your fingers. Use your whiteboard. Use whatever you need to help you. Oh my gosh. This book thinks you can subtract. Can you take away numbers? Of course you can. You're so smart. You get to practice subtraction. You're going to practice writing a sentence with a sight word. You guys have seen this word a million times so far already this year. I know you can do it. You're going to practice writing a sentence with this sight word. You guys can do it. Uh-oh, this one's getting tricky. This one's getting tricky. Teen numbers. We just did teen numbers. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So, top. You're going to fill it in, okay? You're going to write the day of the week. You're going to write the month, the number, the year. If you need days of the week, I sent one out a way long time ago. If you need another one, let me know. It's cute and colorful. If cute and colorful isn't your thing, I have a black and white one too. I can send you either one or print it out for you. If you want a copy of the months of the year, so that way you can look at the months of the year, let me know. I want to help you. I want to give you these things if you need them. So let me know. Today, you are filling in your calendar. Woot woot, almost Valentine's Day. Party. Woot woot, no school on Monday. Super exciting. Then you're doing this page. Okay? You guys can do this. I know today is a little bit longer of a day, but tomorrow, you're just doing this page. The whole page. The top and then the bottom. And that's all you're doing. So it's going to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy, nice and quick after today. You guys are awesome. Have a great day.